How to fix your you can't use PayPal anymore. Hey everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So open your PayPal application, or you can do it using your browser. Here I am doing using my browser. Then simply log in and see for your notifications after you have logged in. In your notification section there you will see if your account has any problems, and due to that problem you are not being able to use PayPal. So if you cannot find any problem, what you can do is go to their support section by going to contact us here, and then tap on account password and account access, or you can also call them. So if the problem is solved by them, the customer service, you will be good to go. If not, what you have to do is offload your application if you have installed the mobile application, or you can just uninstall the application and reinstall it back, and you might be able to use it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.